Hi there, this is Aaron Sachs, National Training Manager with Samsung TechWin America. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up one of the video analytics in our cameras, the passing or direction. So we're going to go into the setup menu, we're going to go to Event and Event Setup, and we're going to select Motion Detection Video Analytics, and we have to put the checkbox in Enable. If we want, when this analytic is tripped, to record to the SD card, we can also check that box there and specify if we want the alarm output to be triggered as well. We can then come on down and we can tell the camera, are we doing motion detection or video analytics or both. For right now, to make it simple, we'll just do video analytics. We can set up for motion detection and analytics the sensitivity, the size, a minimum size and a maximum size. So if we want only cars to be detected and not people or animals, for example, or we want cars but not trucks, we can specify all of that. We can have an area, so if I only wanted to detect motion in a specific zone, we can draw that box here, and then we can go to analytics, and we have a variety of different analytics that can be running at the same time. We're just going to do the passing for right now, and all we have to do is draw a line on the screen, and we tell it when the vehicle or the object goes from left to right or right to left or both, and you'll see it on the screen. We can also check the analytics rule overlay if I want this line and arrows to show up on my video screen. And detection result overlay, do I want to be notified on the video window when there's an analytic that matches that. The last option is a schedule. Do I want this to run all the time or only on specific times of the day or in days of the week? We can also click on an individual time period and specify individual hours and minutes to enable. Otherwise, on the main screen here, it's just hourly. I'm just going to tell it to do it always. Make sure you always hit the Apply button at the bottom of the screen, otherwise nothing is saved. And now you'll see my analytic is enabled and everything is saved. We can now go back to the monitoring screen, and we can wait for a car to drive by, or a person. And you can see that didn't trip it. That was too small, smaller than my minimum size. Then the car drove by and was big enough, puts the green box around something that's researching, and then it turns it red when it finds something that matches the analytic.